Good morning, everyone. Sandy Waggett here with MSW Interactive Designs, and today I am here with another marketing tip. So I have been talking about lead magnets a lot lately, and one of the questions I get is, where should I install a lead magnet on my website? Well, first of all, I think you should have multiple lead magnets because one lead magnet is not going to appeal to everyone who visits your website. You need multiple lead magnets. Now, that said, where should you install your lead magnet? Well, first of all, on the homepage, you should definitely put it on the homepage because that is where most people will enter your website. And a lot of times that's where most people will leave your website. The second place is on your second most visited page on your website. Now, how do you determine which one that is? You don't want to assume. The best way to determine what is your second most visited page on your website is to look at your analytics. If you don't have Google Analytics installed on your website, do that right away. You can't make good decisions about marketing your business if you don't understand what people are doing when they hit your website, and frankly, how many people are coming to your website. So get Google Analytics installed on your website. Then you'll quickly be able to see what the second most visited page is. And then the third one is the page where people most exit your website. When people leave your website, they're exiting for a reason. You want to capture their information, if at all possible, before they leave, so that you have the ability in the future to drive them back. So first on the homepage, second on your second most visited page on your website, and third, you want a lead magnet on the page where people most frequently leave your website or abandon your website or bounce off your website. So if you're looking at Google Analytics, you can get all of that information super easily. I hope this tip helps. And if you need help installing lead magnets on your website or creating lead magnets and nurturing funnels, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We do it for businesses all the time. It's highly effective. Sandy Waggett with MSW Interactive Designs. Have a great day, everyone.